A former embassy officer, a multi-crore visa scam, lavish properties in Dubai, and now Interpol's newest weapon to track dirty money, the silver notice. At the heart of this high-stakes thriller is Shubham Shaukin, who is now accused of running a visa racket and laundering the proceeds abroad. And for the first time, the Interpol issued a silver notice to trace his overseas assets. So, what's the full story? And what exactly is a silver notice? Why is India involved? And what does this mean for global financial crime tracking? In January 2025, Interpol introduced a new color coded alert, the Silver Notice. It was aimed to help countries track the global movement of illicit assets. Until now, Interpol notices focused mostly on people, like the red notice to detain fugitives or the blue notice to gather intel on suspects. The silver notice focuses on money, particularly tracing where it's being laundered, hidden, or invested. From properties and bank details to shell farms and luxury cars. If it's linked to crime, this notice helps track it down. Now, the idea started with Italy. Now, 51 countries, including India, are part of this pilot. Each can issue up to 9 silver notices till November 2025. So, why did India issue one? India's first silver notice targets Shubham Shaukin. Between 2019 and 2022, he allegedly ran a racket to illegally secure Schengen visas, charging 15 to 45 lakh rupees per client. He reportedly used the proceeds to buy 6 properties in Dubai worth over 15 crore rupees. Now, initially, a blue notice was first issued to locate him, but when the focus panned to his international assets, India escalated the case with a silver notice. So, what exactly does this notice do? The silver notice allows law enforcement agencies to request detailed information about assets linked to criminal activity, properties, cars, bank accounts, and even businesses. It enables countries to collaborate on freezing, seizing, or recovering stolen or laundered assets. The information gathered can lead to bilateral action depending on each country's legal framework. Just days later, India issued another silver notice, this time against Amit Lakhanpal, accused of a 113 crore rupees crypto scam via a fake coin called MTC. He claimed ties to the finance ministry, duped investors, and disappeared. The Enforcement Directorate is investigating, and the silver notice is now being used to trace his assets worldwide. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more deep dives into how international law enforcement is evolving.